Shmai pawb, hello everybody, it's Danielle from Talk and Play, and today I thought we could do a little bit of dough disco. So for those of you who don't know, dough disco is a fun dance-like activity where the children can squeeze, squash, mould, poke the dough just in time to the music really. So the music and dance-like aspects encourages rhythm, gross motor control, fine motor skills, and obviously the children's speech and understanding too. So all you need to join in is Play-Doh. So if you can get your Play-Doh ready, and we can all have a little go at doing some Christmas themed dough disco together. Are we ready? Get your Play-Doh ready after 3, 1, 2, 3.
Get in your sleigh.
Get in your sleigh.
Off we go. Wave to the people.
Wave to
Down
everybody.
below. Twinkling stars.
Have some twinkling
shining
stars.
bright.
Squeeze your
will
dough.
dance with our Play-Doh tonight.
Are we ready? Roll your dough in the sausage shape. And then we're going to pinch. Well done everybody. Change hands. Pinch. Now we're going to do daddy finger and brother finger. Poke the Play-Doh. And then sister and baby too. Well done everybody. Pat it flat. And we squeeze. Well done everybody. Thumb in the Play-Doh. Daddy. Brother finger. And don't forget sister and baby too. Well done everybody. You roll a ball. Pass it back and forth. Oh, well done everybody. That was fantastic. So that was our Winter Wonderland with Play-Doh. So are we all ready for our next song? Fantastic. The next song is going to be Twinkle Twinkle Christmas Star. Should we get our Play-Doh ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. We're going to start off by squeezing in our left hand. Are you ready? Twinkle, twinkle, Christmas star, way up high is where you are. Right hand, shining bright for all to see. Roll the ball, pinch of our tree. Swap hands. Twinkle, twinkle, Christmas star, way up high is where you are. Oh, well done everybody. Roll the ball.
Don't you?
I sure do.
Flat.
Twinkle, Christmas star,
Way up.
high is where you are.
You ready to poke?
Shining bright
For all to see. Swap hands. Poke.
on the top of our tree.
You roll a sausage.
Twinkle, Christmas star, way up high is where you are. Way up high is where you are.
Oh, fantastic everybody. Well done. That was lovely. Now to our third and final song. We're going to do Jingle Bells. So get your Play-Doh ready. Are we all ready? Barod? Ar ôl 3, 1, 2, 3. Gonna roll our balls, ready? Squeeze. Squeeze. Swap hands. Squeeze. Roll the ball and we're gonna pinch. Ready?
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Swap hands.
Jingle bells,
Pinch.
jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a
Roll your
one-horse
ball.
open sleigh.
You ready? Now we're gonna splat it flat. Go!
A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bride was seated by my side.
Done, everybody.
Horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his
Keep
lot.
splatting.
He got into a drifted bank and
Now we're gonna do poking. Ready?
jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Well done, everybody. Swap hands. Poke. Last one. Fantastic. Roll your balls. Pull. 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 Well done, everybody. Pull. Now for sausage. Can we roll a sausage? Roll, roll, roll. Well done, everybody. Now into the balls again. Fantastic. Squeeze. Other hand. Fantastic. You swap hands. Roll your ball. And splatting to finish. Oh, well done, everybody. That was fantastic. I hope you enjoyed our last song. And hopefully I will see you all again soon. So I hope you enjoyed. Hwyl fawr pawb. Goodbye, everybody. Speak to you all soon. Hwyl fawr.